Hello everyone, it's a wonderful Wednesday morning here at the Good Project. So I'm going to continue my series of video blogs up to my departure to Venezuela to see my mom and my Yanomami family. So as I was scouring my hard drive looking for home videos and photos, I had come across some clips that I had recorded back in 2013. And my village, the Irokai, they were preparing for a festival for a visiting village, the Hasupue. And so I had strung together these series of clips and I would like to share it with you. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to reflect on what I've experienced and these following video clips. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. So as I was looking over these clips, of course I had a great laugh because I had remembered my brother being behind me, helping me take some videos and trying to get me to howl like a Yanomami, and unfortunately my voice just doesn't go that high, and it was almost like I had this sort of handicap. While I was a bit embarrassed, but at the same time it was a huge comic relief, and every time I attempted to howl it was more like this sort of yelping groan. But it was funny all around. And watching my family prepare and cook the bananas and create the trough and chant, my uncles and brothers chanting, and everybody's decorating themselves. It was such a wonderful experience. Everything had so much meaning. Everything was, it just felt like I was part of something, something powerful and something that has been done for generations and generations. And one thing my father had told me growing up before I had left, that there's never a dull moment among the Yanomami, and it's true. There's never a dull moment. You never get bored there. Something happens, whether it's a storm, whether it's a festival, whether there's an argument or a fight or whatever. So my brother was with me as I was recording most of the time, and he loved it. He loved using the camera, and he loved learning how to use it. As he took me under his wing to teach me the Yanomami ways, I took him under my wing to teach him some of my Naba, outsider ways. And of course, in that part where I had to hide my camera, I felt bad because I didn't want to insult or offend anyone. I knew it's a very sensitive thing to take pictures and videos, and I thought, since I was in the presence of my own home and my own family, and even the Hasapu way are related to me personally, I didn't think there was going to be any issues. But unfortunately, you heard the shouting match, so I had to hide the camera, and there was a woman from across the Shabano screaming at me, and then my mom stepped in. And when they were just shouting at each other for 5-10 minutes, and I wanted this to be a special moment, but unfortunately, there was a bit of a hiccup there. And then I talked to my brother, and at the same time, he told me that this is your home, this is your family, and when people come here, you are part of the family, and they are the guests. And in his broken Spanish, he was telling me this, and that meant a lot to me. So I had my mother stick up for me, and my brother stick up for me. And they know that these videos are very precious and something to reflect upon. So I'm fighting that balance between taking my own personal home videos and also respecting the culture and the ways of the Yanomami. Well, that's it for now. I look forward to sharing many more pictures and many more videos, and so tune in till next time. Take care.